Hello, my little mathematicians. Today, we are going to become angle detectives. And our job is find angles everywhere. Look, corner of room. It makes right angle. Look, my book. It makes obtuse angle. Look, this hanger. It makes acute angle. Ready to become angle detectives with me? Let's start. Hey kids, welcome back to Maths with Gitu. I am your angle detective Gitu ma'am. But detectives, can you tell me what exactly is an angle? An angle is formed when two rays meet at one common point. Let's draw an example. Here, angle can be read as angle PQR or angle RQP. This is the symbol of the word angle. While reading or writing name of the angle, we should always write corner letter in the middle. Corner letter or common point is called as vertex. So here Q is the vertex of angle PQR. And ray QP and ray QR are two arms of an angle. So here you can say vertex and arms. These are the parts of angle. We can say these are the friends of angle. Take a screenshot of it because it will be helpful to you for the exams. Angle detectives. Every angle has three secret zones. And our mission is to find out where each point is hiding. Are you ready to investigate? First zone, points on the angle. Look, if a dot is standing exactly on arm QP and arm QR, it's like a security guard standing on the gate of angle. Point A and point B are drawn on the angle. So you can say they are the security guards of the angle. Which are the points on the angle? Which are our security guards. Correct? Second zone is interior points. Interior means inside. Imagine this angle is our classroom. If a dot is sitting inside the class like students sitting in the class, we call them interior points. So here point L, point S and point M are interior detectives hiding inside. So here we got three interior detectives. Third zone is exterior points. Exterior means outside. If a dot playing outside the angle, like students playing outside the classroom, we call them exterior points. Here, point T and point N are exterior detectives on duty outside. Detectives, can you tell me where will you show point P, Q and R? Yes, point P, Q, R lie on the arms. They are our security guards. So, you will show them in points on angle. See detectives. Maths is so easy when we become detectives and connect it to the life. Give yourself a big thumbs up. Take a quick screenshot of it to revise before exam. So detectives, we got points on angle, interior points of angle and exterior points of angle. Case closed. But to become real detectives, we need tools. So I made this magic angle tool for you. With this tool, we will catch our next suspect. The 7 types of angles. Let's start. Suspect 1, zero angle. Both arms are overlapping, no gap. Code name, zero angle. Rule, exactly 0 degree. Example, when scissors are close, both blades are overlapping with no gaps. That is zero angle. Stuck together, 0, you are busted. Suspect 2, 50 degree. Both arms are close to each other. You can see small gap. Code name, acute angle. Rule, more than 0 but less than 90 degree. Example, this corner of set square has a small gap less than 90 degree. That's acute angle. Little and sharp, got you acute? Suspect 3, 90 degrees. Both arms are making perfect L shape. Code name, Right angle. Rule exactly 90 degree. Example, see the corners of our whiteboard. Both arms are making perfect L shape. That's right angle. Perfect L. We found right. Suspect 4. 120 degree. Both arms are making a wide opening. Code name obtuse angle. Rule between 90 degree and 180 degree. Example, when I open this book wide to read, both arms are making a wide opening. That is obtuse angle. Too wide. Got you obtuse. Code 5, 180 degree. Both arms are making a straight line. Code name straight angle. Rule exactly 180 degree. Example, look at this ruler. Both arms are making straight line. That is straight angle. You can also say that straight angle is made up from two right angles. 90 plus 90 equals 180. That is straight angle. Straight as an arrow. Got you. Suspect 6, 250 degrees. Both arms are making big turn. It's more than half. Code name reflex angle. Rule between 180 and 360. Example, see my watch at 8 o'clock. Both arms are making a big turn. That is reflex angle. Big turn, reflex is under arrest. Suspect 7, 360 degrees. Both arms have made one full round. Code name complete angle. Rule exactly 360. Example, see my compass. Both arms have made one full round. That is complete angle. Full round equals complete case closed. Case closed, detectives. We caught all 7 suspects. 0, acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex, and complete. Take a screenshot of this magic tool for revision. Give yourself a big thumbs up. Next case, problem set 2.2 and exercise 2. Let's solve. Our first case is find the given letters of English alphabets whose lines form right angle. And the suspects are alphabet A, E, N, K, L, H. Let us investigate and make the report. Alphabet A. It forms acute angle. Alphabet E. Let's see which angle it forms. See here. You can see 4 right angles can form. Next, alphabet M. Again, it forms. Yes. Tell me the answer. Which angle it forms? Very good. It also forms acute angle. Next, alphabet K. You can see here it forms acute angle. And here obtuse angle. That means not forming right angle. Next is alphabet L. In alphabet L, one right angle can form. Alphabet H. Here also you can see right angle form. So from that, we will make our investigation report. Alphabets E, L and H forms right angle. Case 2. Write the type of each angle based on the measures of the angle given below. Let's see suspects one by one. First one is 40 degree. More than 0 but less than 90 degree. Both the arms make small gap. That means it is acute angle. Next suspect 0 degree. What example we saw? When both the blades of scissor close. No gap. That means it is 0 degree. You can say exactly 0 degree means it is 0 angle. Next suspect 90 degree. Makes perfect L shape. So perfect L shape is right angle. Next suspect 155 degree. More than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Both the arms make wide opening. Wide space, that means a obtuse angle. Next suspect 180 degree. Both the arms make straight line. And measure of straight angle is exactly 180 degree. It forms from two 90 degree angles. 90 plus 90 equals 180, which makes a straight angle. Last suspect 245 degree. Greater than 180 but less than 360. That means it is reflex angle. For example, watch shows time 8 o'clock. All 6 angles identified. Case close. Case 3. Draw the reflex angles of different measures. Here I am taking two suspects. 200 degree and 310 degree. Reflex angle is greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. But Our protractor shows only up to 180 degrees. Then how to draw it? Just keep one thing here. Reflex angle equals 180 degree plus additional angle. You can say that is the formula we will have to use while drawing the reflex angle. So, to draw 200-degree reflex angle, what we'll have to do? Simply 200 minus 180. 200 minus 180. How much we will get? 20 degree. That 20 degree is our additional angle. Same is for 310 degree. 310 minus 180 equals 130 degree. That means this is our additional angle. Let's start actual construction. First, draw ray OB. This is the protractor. This is called as center of protractor, and this is called as reference line. Now I am going to keep the center of protractor on point O in such a way that reference line will exactly fall on ray OB. Can you see? You can see this is the straight angle 180 degree. Reflex angle is equal to what? 180 plus additional angle. So here 180 degree plus 20 degree is equal to 200 degree. That means our additional angle is of 20 degree. So this is 180. After 180 we'll have to count 20 more. See, this is 10 degree and this is 20. So I will mark on 20. Now join these points. This is our point A. So here we will draw on 200 degree angle, which is our reflex angle. In the same way, we will draw 310 degree. Let's see. Here also first we will have to draw a ray. This is our ray OP. 310 degree. That means it is 180 degree plus 130 degree. 180 plus 130 equals 310 degree. I will keep the center of protractor on point O. Now see, this is 180 degree. An additional 130 degree will have to draw. Check it. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 and here it is 130. So mark on 130. Now just join these points. Here I will give name Q. This one is of 310 degree. Reflex angle of measure 310 degree. So from this we will make our investigation report. Reflex angle equals 180 plus additional angle, and we can draw it using this method. Case solve. Case 4. Answer the following questions. Let's see the suspects. First suspect, how many right angles are included in a straight angle? Measure of straight angle is 180 degree. And what is the measure of right angle? Yes, it is 90 degree. So 180 degree divided by 90 degree. So you will get 180 divided by 90 is 2. That means you can say 2 right angles are included in a straight angle. Next suspect, what are the type of angles formed between two adjacent fingers of hand? Now see, this is my hand. See the adjacent finger. Which angle forms? See any finger. Yes? Which angle form? Very good. So, our answer is acute angle. So, you can say acute angle will form between two adjacent fingers of hand. Suspect 3. What kind of angle is formed between the hour hand and the minute hand of a clock when it is 12 o'clock? At 12 o'clock, both hands falls like this. That means there is no gap. Both the hands fall one on other. That means it is zero angle. So you can say zero angle is formed between the hour hand and the minute hand of a clock when it is 12 o'clock. This concludes practice set 2.2, the angle investigation. Here is answer sheet of practice set 2.2. Take a quick screenshot of it. We solved all 4 cases together. We found right angles in alphabets. We classified all types of angles. We learned reflex angle equals 180 degree plus additional angle. And we answered all the questions. All files stamped. Practice set 2.2 case closed. But our work as detective is not over yet. Now we move to the next mission, exercise 2. This is our final test to check how much we have learned. Are you ready, young detectives? Let us start with mission number 1. Choose the correct option. In that first is a complete angle contains dash right angles. Complete angle. It completes full circle. Measure of complete angle is 360 degree and measure of right angle is 90 degree. 360 divided by 90. How much answer we will get? Very good. 360 divided by 90 is 4. So, option D, 4 is the correct answer. Second, if a straight angle is divided into 3 equal parts, each resulting angle will be dash. Straight angle. What is the measure of straight angle? 180 degree. It is divided into 3 equal parts. 180 divided by 3. What answer we will get? 60 degree. So 60 degree is more than 0 but less than 90. That means it is acute angle. Very good. So our answer is acute angle, option B. Third one, the starting point of ray OP and ray OQ is dash. Starting point of ray OP and ray OQ. You can see O is the common point and O is given first here. That means O is the origin. So starting point means origin. So option A is the correct answer. Fourth one, dash is infinite on both sides. What is infinite? Yes, line is infinite. Ray is also infinite. And plane is also infinite. But see the question, what is given? Dash is infinite on both sides. Okay? Line is infinite on both sides. That's why it has arrow to both the sides. Ray is infinite on one side only. That's why it has arrow to its one side only. And plane is infinite from all its four sides. So our correct option is line. Line is infinite on both sides. Option A is the correct answer. So mission 1 accomplished. Let's see our mission 2. Mission 2. Match the pairs. In group A, measures of some angles are given. And in group B, type of angles are given. Our mission is to match them. Let's do it. First one is 91 degree. 91 degree is more than 90 but less than 180. That means it is obtuse angle. Next measure is 180 degree. Exactly 180 degree. That means straight angle. Next measure is 360 degree. Exactly 360 degree. It makes a complete circle. That means it is complete angle. Next measure 215 degree. More than 180 but less than 360. That means it is reflex angle. And last one 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree. It makes L shape. That means it is very good. It is right angle. Mission 2 accomplish. Mission 3 write the answers by looking at the figure. First, observe the figure. First question is write the names of all rays in the figure. See, ray means what? Starts from one point and extend infinitely in other direction. So points refer to origin and arrow refers to other side which can extend. Let's see. See here, if D is the origin, we will get ray DP, ray DA, ray DQ. This is the origin and this side it extends infinitely. If E is the origin, EC, ray EB, ray EQ, ray EF, ray EP. Let us write. Next, on which lines the point E is located? Let's see point E. Here. This is the point E. We'll have to find on which lines it is located. Line refers to something which extend infinitely in both the direction. That means you can see arrow to both its sides. So let's see. Here it is point E and see this line, both sides, it has arrows. That means line CF. And second one is line PQ. So you can write two names here, line CF and line PQ. Next, write the names of the line segments in the figure. Line segment has exact measure. It does not extend in both the direction. That's why it do not have arrows. It has end points. So let's see. End points. These are the end points. You can say these are the end points. So you can write segment PD, segment DA, segment DE, segment BE, segment CE, segment EQ, segment EF, segment PQ. Yes, PQ also we can say as segment because see here points are given. That means we can say PQ is also part of line. Part of line means segment. So let us write some names here. Let's see next. Write the names of the rays whose starting point is E. So just we'll have to write name of the rays which start from E. Point E. That means E is the origin. See here. Ray EC, ray EQ, ray EF, ray EP, ray EB. These are the names of the ray starts from point E. Let's write. Next, what type of angle is BEQ? See this one, BEQ. We'll have to find type of angle. Type of angle means whether it is acute, right, obtuse, straight. Okay. And write names of its sides. First see here, see the shape like this. A wide gap between two arms. That means it is obtuse angle. Correct. So, angle BEQ is obtuse angle. Then write names of its sides. So, these are the sides. Sides means name of the arms you will have to write here. So, arm EB and arm EQ. So, here we accomplish mission 3 also. Mission 4. Write the names and types of angles in the diagram. So first, observe the diagram. First angle, angle POQ. See the shape of angle POQ. It is like this. A wide gap. That means it is more than 90 but less than 180. So it is obtuse angle. Next angle is angle QOR. You can see a small gap. Small gap, that means more than 0 but less than 90. It is acute angle. See next, angle ROS. That one is also like this. So it is obtuse angle. More than 90 but less than 180. Next one, angle SOP. That is also like this. More than 90 but less than 180. That means it is obtuse angle. Next, angle POR is also obtuse angle. So already you have written 3 examples of obtuse angle. So I'm not writing the name. See next one, angle POS. Can you tell me which type of angle it is? Angle POS. See the measurement. See this. Exactly. It's a reflex angle. Like clock shows time 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Okay, now it is sufficient. So we will not get example of straight angle or zero angle here. Just we will get acute, obtuse and reflex. There is no right angle also. Okay. So our mission 4 is also accomplished. Mission 5. Find the number of acute angles in each of the following figure. You can see 3 figures are given and all are equilateral triangles. Fourth figure we'll have to draw. Let's see what is given other than this in the question. From this, draw the correct figure that comes in the place D. We'll have to draw figure at the place of D. How many acute angles are formed? In that figure, how many acute angles will form, that we'll have to write. What pattern is found in the number of acute angles? This is a single equilateral triangle. So, one triangle has 3 angles. Yes. So, first let's see how many triangles and how many angles we can see in the figure. See, number of triangle is 1. How many angles it has? One triangle has 3 angles. 1, 2 and 3. So one triangle has 3 angles. 1 into 3 is 3 acute angles we can see here. Acute angle because it is equilateral triangle. Measure of each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. How will you find out it? Sum of the measure of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So 180 divided by 3, that means you will get 60 degree. 60 degree is acute angle. Okay. Now see second figure. Let's see number of triangles. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number of triangles formed here are 4. So each triangle has 3 angles. That means 4 multiply by 3. 4 threes are 12. So let's see the pattern of angles here. First, we got 3 angles. In second, 3 plus 9 angles we got extra. Let's see our third figure. How many triangles are given there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many triangles? Number of triangles? 7. Each triangle has 3 angles. So 7 into 3. 7 threes are 21. Let's see. First we are having 12 angles here. 12 plus 9 equals 21. That means here 9 angle added, here also 9 angles added. So in the next one also we'll have to add 9 angles. So what answer you will get? 21 plus 9 equals 30. Our figure must consist 30 angles. Now how to draw a figure? What is the pattern of figure? See here, in the first figure, only one triangle is given. In second figure, number of triangles are 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. In third figure, number of triangles are 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So, last figure, we will have to add 3 triangles. 7 plus 3, 10 triangles. Let's see how to show the figure. So, first, we will draw equilateral triangle. Just assume it as equilateral, okay? So, first triangle I have drawn. Now, see here, like this triangle we will have to draw in. Then, in third figure, one more extra triangle is given. Same like that, we will draw here. Now, what extra we'll have to do? Inside it, we will draw one triangle. Now, count number of triangles. It must be 10. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and inside it is 10. Correct? Now let's see number of angles. We got 10 triangles. Each triangle has 3 angles. So 10 threes are 30. Got the correct one? Yes. That means mission 5 accomplished. Next, mission 6. See what is given. Draw a freehand picture with acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle and fill it with colors. So my dear students, this is your mission now. This is your homework. Okay? Will you do it? So our mission exercise 2 is also accomplished. But remember, every good detective needs practice. So now onwards, you must be on the mission of practice. If this helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Math with Gitu. Bye. See you in the next mission.